Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to change your spark plugs on a Suzuki SX4. This is a 2008 model. So first thing you're gonna have to do is remove the engine cover slash airbox. The engine cover actually is the airbox as well. So you're gonna disconnect this hose on the right here. There are two 10mm bolts over here that I already took out, and then you have two metal clips over here for the airbox part where the filter sits. So you're just gonna release those two, and you're gonna push this part over into the back, and then there's only two bolts that holds this, and then you have two pins that goes into like a rubber grommets in there. So you're just gonna pull it out. I'm gonna have to kind of like fish it out of there. So I'll say it's a good idea to change the air filter while doing this, since you have to get this open and the filter sits right here. So next thing, you have 8mm bolts for the ignition coils. Once you have your bolts out, you can pull the ignition coils out. You don't have to disconnect the connectors. There's enough room to pull the coils out. So what you're gonna need is a 5/8 spark plug socket. What I like about the sockets that are designed for spark plugs is that you can put the spark plug in there, and it has a magnet and it will hold it in place. So when you go in, you don't drop the spark plug and damage it. I already took the spark plug out of this cylinder, so I just have 3 more to go. Not sure how often it's recommended to change the spark plugs on this car, but these spark plugs has around 50,000 miles in them, and since spark plugs are not that expensive, so I just decided to do it. So here you have a new spark plug and the old spark plug. And the spark plugs I'm putting in is a Denso SK16R11 iridium. So when you install those, don't drop the spark plug in there, because you're gonna hit it with the electrode and you're gonna change the gap distance, and you may actually damage the spark plug. So you're just gonna put it in the socket like this and hand tight it first. Make sure the threads are lined up so you don't strip anything. And if you have a torque wrench, then the torque spec for this is 25 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench, then you just have to be careful when tightening it. It doesn't take that much to tighten the spark plug. So I'm gonna use my torque wrench. As you can see, the spark plug is getting tight right now, and there's like a crash washer on it, so you have to kind of like go until the washer compress a little bit. And here it is, 25 Newton meters. And then you gotta do the rest of the spark plug same way. Once you're done, make sure you put your ignition coils in all the way, put the 8mm bolts back in, replace your air filter, and when you put this cover back on the air filter, make sure it lines up on the bottom, everything is tight, so you don't get any air leaks. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.